here?
Amanda.
Amanda, what are we doing today?
Jumping out of planes.
Skydiving with strangers?
Of course, no, y'all go.
You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
Of course.
Your idea?
Yes,
Your
mine.
fault if this goes wrong?
Mine.
Celebrating anything?
My life.
Celebrating life today.
Every day.
If we don't make it to tomorrow, any last words, final comments, confessions?
All to my kids.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn it all. Bury it in the desert, the wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock and sky to have some fun. High five. Here we go.
Doing it.
Alright, you ready for this?
Let's go.
Let's get in, get up, get out of this airplane, go have some fun in the sky. High five. Here we go. Woo! Oh yeah! What do you think?
I'm doing it again.
Yeah, you have fun?
I had so much fun.
Next time you can open the parachute for Cessna.
Okay.
Got a Colorado Springs. Thanks for coming out.
Woo!